This cable frayed. The braiding pulled back after some use. It was just a couple of months and it broke right there. So I figure I can cut this off and push it back in there and hopefully it'll work. Let's give that a try. They put the tape over the tip. I don't know for what reason, maybe to make it not slip. We'll put this in here, push it all the way in. And it looks like they crimped this, so we might have a hard time pushing this back in. So let's see. Yep, that's not gonna work. The only way would be to re-crimp this after you put this over. But we might be able to tighten something around here just to hold it in place, maybe with a zip tie. I'm gonna zip tie the braid too. Hopefully that will work. That's quite promising. I think I'll put another one just in case. Put another zip tie here. I mainly fatigued this joint because I just threw it in the trunk. And this cable kind of sat on the floor like this, bending this almost to a 90 degree. Going forward, this must be avoided at all costs in order to keep it from breaking at the tube like that again. Let me put it back together first. Now let's see if it works. Yep, it works. My idea is to put it in this foam and it can't go anywhere because of that. It doesn't really need a lid or anything. It just gotta keep these tubes from flexing too much. Let's trace the outline and get a long knife. We'll just cut this out. Leaves a little bit more space there. Use some glue. Hopefully this is strong enough. It seems to not need any spreading. Well, let this sit until it hardens overnight. Here's the finished product. I keep the charge cable in here as well in case I run out of battery and I want to charge it in the car. I also like to keep a tire plug kit. You can fix your own tire with this kit and a tire inflator. Wherever you get a nail, except on the sidewall, put in one of these rubber strips along with some of this adhesive. It tells you how to do that on here. So having this kit all in one, if you get a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, it's a very nice backup emergency kit.